Standard 12th Business Mathematics, Exercise 6.2. 14th question. A person tosses a coin and is to receive rupees 4 for a head, is to pay rupees 2 for a tail. Find the expectation and variance of his gains. So first, what is given is they are tossing a coin. So if a person receives rupees 4 when he gets a head, and he has to pay, that is loss for him, pay rupees 2 when he gets a tail. So this is the condition is given, and what is asked is expectation, that is E of x, you have to find it, and your variance you have to find it. So first we will just declare, let x be a discrete random variable which denotes the gain of the person. The probability distribution is so we'll just put it in a table. X is equal to x, P of capital X. So the values are receives rupees 4 for a head. Okay, so he is getting rupees 4 when head appears. When you toss a coin, you will get your head and tail. That is, two possibilities will be there. In that, you will have to get head, means 1 by 2. And he has to pay rupees 2, that is a loss for him. So minus 2 when he gets a tail. Okay, so again tail is option is 1 by 2 only. We have to find variance of x, that is equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So whatever is needed is E of x is needed and E of x square is needed. So first we will go with E of x, that is the expectation, sigma x, x into P of x. So we have got x and P of x here. So just multiply 4 into 1 by 2 plus this minus 2 into 1 by 2. So 4 and 2 can cancel, you will get 2 times. So 2 ones are 2, plus into minus is minus, 2 and 2 can cancel, you will get 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is your expectation, otherwise your expected value. Okay. Next is E of x square, you will have to find it. Your formula is sigma x, x square into P of x. So x square, just see the difference between E of x and E of x square. When x is there, put x here. When x square is there, put inside also x square. Okay. So which is equal to, just square this. This is your x. So square this, then multiply with your 1 by 2. So 4 square will get 16 into 1 by 2 plus again minus 2 square, it will become 4 into 1 by 2. 16 and 2 can cancel, you will get 8 times. 2 and 4 can cancel, you will get twice. So that is equal to 8 ones are 8 plus 2 ones are 2, which is equal to 10. Next is variance of x. That is your formula, that is E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So just go for a substitution. E of x square we have got 10 minus E of x is 1, so 1 the whole square. So which is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. So variance of x is 9. Therefore your answer is the expectation of his gains is 1. The variance of his gains is 9. So this is answer for your 14th question. 15th question. Let x be a random variable and y is equal to 2x plus 1. What is the variance of y if the variance of x is 5 they have given? Okay. Let x be a random variable. Given y is equal to 2x plus 1. And one more is given variance of x is 5. So variance of x is equal to 5 and your question is variance of y, we'll have to find it. So we'll just use a property, that is if x is a random variable, then variance of ax plus b is equal to a square into variance of x. So we can use this property in your question. Okay, just write your question again. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. So this is given. So we need variance. Okay, so both the sides introduce your variance. So variance of y is equal to variance of 2x plus 1. Now go to this property. Variance of ax plus b is equal to a square into b of x. You can write it. Now in the place of a we have got 2. So you can write it as a square this side. So that is 2 square into variance of x. You can write it. That is equal to 2 square become 4 into variance of x. So which is equal to 4 into, they have given you variance of x is 5. Okay. So 4 into 5 we can write, that is equal to 20. Therefore variance of y only we are finding it. So variance of y is equal to 20. This is the answer for your 15th question.